Okay, today what we're dealing with is a leak right here on this knob of the shower stall. Alright, so we're going to show you how to fix that in a little bit. Even if you try to close it, there's still a little bit of drip there and it won't stop. Alright, so let's try to fix this. So the first thing we have to do is go to your main shut-off valve and turn the water off. Okay, we'll turn the water off completely so we can start working on the upstairs tub. All right. Okay, so the leakage had slowed down a little bit because we turned down the main faucet off, okay, downstairs. So we're just going to get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew this. There. Take that out because that's where the leak is coming from. Alright. Take that screw out. Take this and pull this thing out. Alright, using the screwdriver, remove the screws. Pretty long screws here we got. Okay, so after we remove both screws, we take these out. Okay, take this out. All right, and there's like a pin here you want to remove. You gotta go up here and lock pin. Yes, we're going to remove that pin. It's kind of hard, but we have to. There, with the screwdriver, it's coming along. There. Remove that pin. Okay. Now, after removing that pin, we can pull this out. Replace it. So we pull this out. It's coming out slowly. That needs to be replaced. This piece have to go to either Home Depot or Lowe's and find a new one. I will be back, and when we install it, it's going to stop the leak. Okay, so I just came back and we got the replacement exact. See, replacement. It's a cartridge replacement for tub and shower. All right, so we're going to take this out. It's already open. First, oh. There. See, what had happened here is probably because it's been a while. See how worn out that is. The rubber rings are probably all worn out, and that's why you're having leakage. And it won't shut off. So let's install this. We get rid of this. Okay. So we're gonna put this in there. All right. I'd like just wet it a little bit before you slide it in there. Okay. Make sure that you're lying where the pin goes. All right. When you put it back in there. Okay. So we're gonna kind of like tap that in there. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Maybe a little bit of wood would be good, but just wet and tap it in will do the trick. There. All right. Push that in slowly. See? It's even. All right. Now, I'm gonna top that in. Then it goes all the way in. Pretty straight. Pushing it till it can't go no more. Okay. So now we'll put the pin back where it belongs. Yeah, we got to tap that in too. Lock pin. Alright. There. Okay, it's pretty much in there. Okay, now that the pin is all the way in. If it don't go one way, turning around, it needs to be completely flush and just the head sticking out. So you can slide this in there. So I'm going to use the old plastic because it's got a hole there where the screw goes in. For some reason this plastic that comes with it doesn't have anything. There's no hole. So I'm using this. We put this right back in there. Okay. Just like that. Okay, let's put this back. There. Okay. Here. We're putting everything back in place. The other screws go on the other side. There. Put this back in place. There. And the screw. There you go. Now I'm going to turn the water. We're going to test it. Okay, that slides pretty good in and out. I'm going to turn the water on and we're going to test it. I'm going down. Okay, let's test and see. There you go. Shut it off. And there's no more leak. So that's how you fix a leaking shower knob. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.